start with the Bodylastic bands joined end to end and the Bodylastics band protector holding them together. Slip them underneath the homemade band platform. Make sure they're riding in the groove properly. Then just insert yourself underneath the bands, holding the platform down with your hands. Get the band protector riding on your scapula. Set up for the push-ups and begin. The advantage is you can go chest to the platform, and the rise of the platform allows your head to go all the way to the floor. Your head doesn't prevent you from getting the full range of motion. And you just continue to failure. Just slide the band off of yourself and you're done.